I'm Laura, that's Ryan. Today I'm going to learn how to TIG weld.
So, this tip goes right in the crack, okay?
Okay.
Don't touch the metal.
Okay.
Hold it away. And then...
How far away?
About
like that far or like that far?
as big as your ex-boyfriend's wiener. You got your suntan yet on your arms?
It was getting warm on my forearm.
Yeah.
Focus. Okay. You can definitely tell he's way straighter. I weld really crooked.
So I bought this Yes Welder TIG 205P. This thing works great. I paid like $195 off of Amazon for this thing. I've used Miller's, I've used Lincoln's, I've used big expensive TIG welders